Hi there, students. A suitor. A suitor. A suitor is somebody who is pursuing someone. Somebody who wants to have a romantic relationship with someone, or even marriage. In the old days, typically the suitor was a man who was chasing a woman. A suitor, somebody who courts someone else. Yeah, so a person who wants to marry somebody else. She had various suitors, but she couldn't make up her mind which of her suitors she wanted to marry. Yeah, so to pursue with a view to marriage, an admirer, a boyfriend, a sweetheart, an innamorato, yeah, somebody who courts a woman, or a woman who courts a man, trying to get them to marry them. Now, that's pretty old-fashioned, and I would only use it, suitor like that in a literary or a formal sense. Nowadays, we use a suitor in business to talk about a person, for example, who wants to take control of another company, or a person who wants to buy something. So, the house next door to mine went on sale, and I was told that a few days later there were 3 suitors for the house, 3 people who wanted to buy it. There were 3 possible suitors. Yeah, or if a company is for sale, yeah, there may be various different suitors who are making bids to buy the company, to acquire the company. Someone who wants to take control of something, or maybe if there is a job available and there are various different suitors for that job, people who are trying to get it, potential suitors. Okay, each of these are rival suitors for the job. Okay, so here a suitor is someone who's trying to get something, who's trying to get a job, or a position, who's trying to buy part of a company, who's trying to get control of something. These are suitors. Yeah, it's a clear metaphor for chasing somebody to get married to them. Yeah, so a suitor, a person or an organization that has an interest in working with another company or in taking them over. So my company is looking for another company to create a partnership to sell this product. Yeah, and there are several suitors who have made themselves known to me, who have said that they might well be interested in doing this. Okay, if you're maybe when a company is for sale, there could be various different rival suitors, and then there would probably be a bidding competition, or each of the suitors might offer different conditions or different things in order to be successful. Yeah, so a suitor is like somebody who is petitioning, is asking for something. Yeah, originally it's asking someone to marry you, is chasing someone to see if you can get them to marry them. So she didn't know which suitor to choose, but since it was made known publicly that this company was for sale, there have been various different suitors for the company. Let's see, formality, a suitor. Well, romantically, a suitor, I think I'd give it 6.5 in formality. Used semi-formally, used literal, in a literary context, semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. In the business context, I think maybe a 6 in formality. Used in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. And as to origin, this comes from late Latin, secutor, to follow, from sequor, I follow. So this is somebody who's following, trying to get something. So, a suitor. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Suitor.